This is the most beautiful building on Earth. It's called Museum of the Future. No one knows what's inside until now. It's shaped like an eye. Inside, they put the craziest ideas, like flying drones. And self-driving cars. Explore a library of life. DNA library of thousands of species, where you can explore, collect, and contribute to the wonders of nature, discover new species, and participate in a global effort to repair the damages of climate change. Witness the wonder of nature. Immerse yourself in a mixed reality recreation of the Amazon rainforest. See the interplay of hundreds of species, and observe details invisible to the naked eye. They designed an actual space station, approved by NASA. Explore the space station, and learn about the community of pioneers living and working there. Observe the missions they undertake, study the things they invent and discover, and gaze upon the inspiration for it all, our beloved planet Earth. Understand the importance of climate change. Visit our website www.kmtourism.com and book your tour now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, do like, and share.